Hey everyone, this is Rosemarie from the Unfinished Lesson, and today I'm going to share with you my top 2 tips on how to balance running a creative studio and having a life. So, what are your priorities? If you haven't done the ladder of priorities exercise, stop the video, go below, and follow the link so that you can do this exercise. I promise you it will totally be worth it. Once you're done, come back here. So, what do your actions say? A lot of times we think that we're spending time and energy on the things that are really important to us, but when we actually look at it, it's not necessarily the case. Balance comes from decisions made through the day, week, and year. You won't always get it perfect, but that's why there's a fresh start each and every day. You'll need to learn to say no, so that you can say yes to the things that are truly important to you. When a new opportunity comes, is it the right timing, or is it a no for now? And is it the right option based on the things that are important to you, or is it maybe that there's another option that's even better, that still lets you live the life that you really want? See, when we say yes to something, that means that you're saying no to something else. Make sure that the things you say yes to align with your priorities and align with the things that are really important to you. So here's your action plan. Step number 1, fill out the ladder of priorities. Step number 2, make decisions based on your priorities, not someone else's. Learn to say no and not feel guilty. This is a bonus one. And then remember, you've got balance in your life and creativity in your studio. Visit us at theunfinishedlesson.com for more ways to have balance in your life and creativity in your studio.